Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, August 12, 2008. According to Reuters Alternative Investment News, the Blackstone Group has created a new business group devoted to investments in clean technology within the energy sector and are offering advice on renewable energy strategies within the firm's asset base. James Kiggin, a senior managing director in the firm's corporate private equity group, will head the unit. Before Blackstone, Kiggin was a senior VP at AllianceBernstein. Managing the team, he started to focus on emerging sciences and technology. The firm is also hiring two principals from AllianceBernstein, Walter Vester and Richard Troyer. Vester has worked in communication and energy technology companies and was a project leader at Boston Consulting Group. Troyer was a biotechnology analyst at Credit Suisse, First Boston and Piper Jaffray, and a consultant at Maricon Associates. Staying with hedge fund news, alternative asset fund platform PCE Investors added 4 fund managers in the past 3 weeks to its London fund incubation systems. The Financial News reports that PCE previously focused on hedge funds but has only had one private equity fund as a client. London CD Capital, its merger, Carmel Danielle Investments, in shares of mutual resource companies approaching a listing. Only 106 hedge funds launched in Europe in the first half of this year. And in more hedge fund news, the importance of London-based GLG partners of outgoing Greg Coffey has been underscored by investor reports showing that he manages 3 of the 7 hedge funds at GLG that have made money this year. Financial News reports that emerging currency and fixed income fund he manages at the New York listed firm has risen by 21.59%, making it the group's best hedge fund this year. And in other hedge fund news, volatility in equity markets has caused hedge funds worldwide to decline about 2%. Markets Media Online reports that hedge funds tracked by Greenwich Alternative Investments fell in July, but continue to perform favorably against equity indices on the year. The Greenwich Global Hedge Fund Index and the Greenwich Composite Investable Index posted losses of -2.31% and -1.72% on the month, respectively. Hennessy Hedge Fund Index said hedge fund returns dropped 1.95% in July, compared to a 1% drop in June and a 3.23% drop over the year, while HedgeFund.net's HFN Hedge Fund Aggregate Average posted a 1.9% decline in returns and a 2.27% decline over the year. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.